Okay, let's see if this works. Does this work? This is in the way. Uh-oh. Please don't fall. Welcome back to my channel. Hopefully it's not too noisy. I'm actually filming in my living room slash dining room, so that's why I have way more space. And you guys are not even that close to me. You guys are super, super far. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me Valentine's look, I guess you can say. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for, so we shall see just what I come up with. I really want to use one of these Morphe palettes that I bought because I bought two new ones. I don't know which one to use. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 35V palette for this look. If you guys want to see the finished look, please keep on watching. Let's get to it. Bitch, I need a highlighter. I didn't get a highlighter. Give me 1 second. First things first, let me get this hair out of the way. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my foundation. I'm gonna be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. It actually really broke me out, but I like it, so I'm gonna use it. It's probably gonna be a bad idea, because it's probably gonna break me out again. But I like the coverage and I like the color, so whatever. You guys, this feels so weird to film here. Like, I'm so used to my room where it's smaller, but why didn't I think of this before? Okay, so now that we spent 100 years pouncing away and putting our foundation on, I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer. I'm just using the Sleek Life Proof Concealer. This is the first time I'm using this little sponge, and I am using it damp, and I must say I'm pretty impressed. I like it. It's the Morphe one if you guys don't know, but I'm sure all y'all know. All right, so now I'm going to set with my Kat Von D brightening powder in the color Petal. Make sure that doesn't move around, because if you guys are going out on a date, under eye creases, that ain't cute. All right, so now that this is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and just move on with my eyebrows. I'm gonna do this off camera. So the products that I like to use is the Wet n Wild brow pencil. It's the new one, it's the micro brow pencil. And then I like to fill in my brows with this brow gel. It's the CoverGirl one. I don't know if they still sell this, but it's all I have, so it's a good combination. Let me just fill in these brows, okay? Be right back. All right, now that my brows are did, we are going to go on with the eyes. So I have no idea what the hell I'm gonna do. So I think I'm just going to go for a smoky brown eye. What's new? So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 35V palette, as I stated. So it looks like this, so pretty. So I'm gonna go in with this, no I'm not, I'm gonna go on with this shade. So I'm gonna be sticking with this side of the palette instead of this side, because it's a little bit too cray for a Valentine's Day look, unless if you want to go all out and you want to use color, do you girl. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in with this color because it's really cute. It's kind of like a light color for your transition shade. So this is gonna be more of a smoky look because, you know, date nights are usually at night unless you're going out at the daytime, and you can just leave it more lighter. I don't even know what I'm talking about. That's cute, right? That's cute. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade that is next to it. Okay, so the next shade right here that's next to it, that's what I'm gonna use. and I'm just going to deepen the crease. Kind of sticking with that like V shape. Really subtle like cut crease going on. Same thing with the other eye. Cute, that's looking cute, right? Next, I'm actually gonna use my handy dandy finger. I want to use more of like a shimmer shade, so I think I'm gonna use this one here at the bottom. It's more like a rose gold as opposed to like a gold. So let's see how this looks. I haven't used this. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, so I'm just gonna put it on the lid. Ooh, that is nice. There we go. So I'm only putting it like over here and not like on the corner. Very subtle, just some like pop of color there. And that's it for the eyeshadow. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So now I'm going to line. I'm gonna give myself a nice little cat eye, but I'm gonna be using a brown color to match this so it's not so harsh. So I'm using this number 7 Stay Perfect Shade and Defined. That's not supposed to happen. There. So it looks like this. So it's like a nice little crayon type of thing, but it's such a pretty color. It has gold flecks in it, which is real pretty. I don't know if you guys can see. It's real pretty. So I'm just going to give myself a wing liner look. Wing liner. There, I'm only gonna do it halfway. That's cute. That's cute, right? That's it for the eyes. All right, let's take off this bake. So now it's time to contour. Today I'm going to be using the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation Stick and Contour Stick. So we're gonna be using the contour stick, obviously, because I already got foundation on. So just contour like you normally would. And do my nose too. Because why not? I'm not too good at it, so don't judge me. If you're good at it, do it. Yo, there's so many sirens. Like, what is going on? Okay, so if you put way too much bronzer like I did, because I totally did, just go back with your foundation, I mean your whatever, this sponge, and just tap over it where you just did too much, because I did too much. Okay, that's better, right? Hopefully. All right, so moving on to blush. I'm gonna be using my favorite blush of all time, it's the Milani Luminoso blush. It's one of my favorites. So go ahead and just pack it on. There we go, because blush on Valentine's Day is so cute. So now for the last part, for highlighter, I'm gonna be using my trusty oldie but goodie highlighter. I love this highlighter. It's the Laura Geller in Glided Honey, or yeah, Glided Honey. I like the look of that, like the highlighter on the little on your apples of your cheeks. So just smile, get that nice little highlight going. And then just amplify. I like to use my finger a little bit and just tap it where I want it to just be a little bit more poppy. And then the nose, tip of my nose a little bit, and down the bridge of my nose. Right here. And that is it for my completed Valentine's Day super quick look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys all in the next video, and I hope you guys have a lovely Valentine's Day. And don't forget, if you guys don't have a significant other, Valentine's Day is not necessarily for boyfriend, girlfriend. Like, you can celebrate with your family, you can celebrate it like if you're close with your mom, you can celebrate it with your dad, your brother, whatever, your cousins, friends. Like, it doesn't necessarily have to be just for a significant other. Honestly, if you love someone, show them you love them. If that's one day that you like to show your appreciation and love to someone on Valentine's Day, which I personally don't think it should matter. You should do that every single day. But, Valentine's Day is just one of those, it's a Hallmark fucking holiday, okay? Just saying. I'm not a personal fan of it. I'm not into it. These sirens, though, there's literally been like 100 sirens all throughout this video. Anyways. And I'm pretty sure you guys have people who love you and support you and everything, so don't make this holiday a big thing if you guys are lonely, if you don't have a significant other, or if you're like me, that is just kind of like whatever about it. I mean, guys, it's not that serious. But I just want to tell you guys that I love you. Hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. I suck at doing these videos. Holy shit. Like, I just cringe.